Geography is an important area of the social sciences because it deals with the human activities of different kind. So that's why this actually the part of the knowledge is very important in the subject of study. So it is also called the human environmental sciences. There is desire to work together some greater knowledge for some genuine understanding of the world. Now the world is divided in political regions based on political concept, religions and resources, as political science link with political geography as to explain the ideas of power and conflict being the main determinants of the locational behavior and resource allocation. So if you see the map of the world, it has some areas which are under the regions. Like this part of the world is actually called the North America. It has the most important part of the world. It has Canada, USA and Mexico. So then to the eastern part of the world, the regions are East Asia and South Asia. So politically, these regions are divided into boundaries. So countries are very important here. In eastern part of the Asia, the important countries are China, Japan, South Korea and Philippines. But in southern part of the Asia, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka are the prominent countries of the South Asian nations. Now जब हम social sciences के साथ geography को relate करते हैं तो उसमें economics जो है उसका link economic geography के साथ बनता है. In economic geography, we studies the distribution of the resources, but the problem of their exploitation from an economic point of view is related with economics. Now this map belongs to the world economies. So here we have three economies of the world. The green economy belongs to the more developed countries of the world. The yellow belongs to the less developed countries of the world, and red belongs to the underdeveloping countries of the world. So these countries are controlled by their growth rate. So the economies are controlled by their growth. Now this part of the area belongs to the population geography. It requires a knowledge of the demography, the statistical field of the population. So you can see here the darker color or green color belongs to the developing world and the yellow color belongs to the industrialized countries. In darker color or developing countries, the growth rate is much faster as compared to the industrialized countries. Why? Because of the certain factors. So one of the most important factor is the low literacy rate. So that's why growth rate is much faster as compared to the industrialized countries. Next belongs to the anthropology, which is actually a supporting field with the cultural geography. As sociology and psychology link with the social geography. So these are the two major areas of the social geography, and history belongs to the historical geography.